My name is Raymond Ballard, and I'm a middle school career technology education teacher in Polk County, Florida. I've been using uCertify for right now about 14 years, and it is one of the best programs for middle school students that I've ever used in the two different CTE capacities that I've worked. Yes, the student engagement is incredible because it reaches kids on a lot of different levels with the videos and the interactive assignments that they're able to use. Students are able to kind of be touched in all areas. And it's really nice, especially for my students that might have 504s, IEPs. The videos let them be able to go back, slow the stuff down, and learn about everything. They actually enjoy it. Most of my students will pass their certification exams on the first try. I have usually a 75 to 80% pass rate. What's really nice about it is the practice tests help the students to be able to learn the skills that they need to use when they're actually taking the certification test. The reason I chose uCertify over any other programs is it is very easy to use. In fact, what's nice for the teacher is there's so much information they give you on each one of the different programs. You're able to pick and choose and still get so much information across to the students. So if you have a timeline of like 9 weeks or two grading periods that you want to try to get the stuff done with, you can easily do that by using the uCertify programs. Yes, there's a little bit of a learning curve at first with uCertify when you're first looking at the programs of what you want to use. But once you decide what you're going to use out of each one of the programs, or if you want to use the whole program itself, everything is laid out so nicely that it helps me to become a better teacher because I don't have to worry so much about planning the lessons as in just being able to teach them to the students. I actually recommend this program to all my other CTA teachers all the time. Like I said, for the bang for the buck, also, I use the essentials programs most of the time with my middle school kids, and the amount of classes and certifications that my students have available to them for the cost is one of the best I've seen.